Mansard House is a small 60-unit property with renovated 2-bedroom, 2-bath, and 2-bedroom, 1-bath units. Some units have balconies as well. The Mansard House staff prides itself on providing excellent service to its tenants. The location is ideal and is located within 1/4 mile of Western Michigan's campus.
My name is Delon Dixon, and I'm majoring in industrial organizational psychology. I'm getting my master's in December, so this was perfect for graduate student living. What I enjoy most about living at Mansard House Apartments is the atmosphere is really cool. There's like a variety of people here that are fun, and I also like the location and like relative to campus. It's a close drive to campus, and there's a lot of stores on West Main that are minutes away. And I think the best part about living here is definitely the Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is super fast. I never have any trouble with anything. I can always like watch Netflix or play video games, no issues. One thing that's unique about living at Mansard House Apartments is the diverse group of people that live here. It's like a really cool experience, experiencing like different cultures and hanging out with people from different areas across the world.